What if accountability isn't just about being judged, but about how society holds itself together? Accountability is often understood as responsibility for one's actions, but sociologically it is much more. It is a system of expectations, norms, and consequences that regulates behavior and maintains social order. In early societies, accountability was collective. Communities enforced norms through shared values, religion, and tradition. Your actions reflected not only on you, but on your family and group. With modernity, accountability became more formalized. Max Weber showed how modern societies rely on rational legal authority, rules, institutions, and bureaucracy. Accountability shifts from community judgment to systems like courts, laws, and organizations. But rules alone don't ensure accountability. Émile Durkheim argued that social cohesion depends on a shared moral framework. When norms weaken, societies risk anomie, a breakdown of accountability where individuals no longer feel bound by collective standards. At the same time, accountability can be internal. Michel Foucault explained how modern power operates through surveillance and self-regulation. People begin to monitor their own behavior, aligning with expectations even when no one is watching. Accountability becomes psychological, not just external. Social psychology reinforces this tension. The bystander effect shows that individuals are less likely to act when responsibility is diffused across a group. When everyone is responsible, no one feels accountable. In contrast, studies on moral responsibility suggest that clear roles and expectations increase accountability. Structure matters, but so does awareness. In today's world, accountability is more complex than ever. Digital spaces create new forms of visibility. Social media can expose wrongdoing instantly, but it can also create performative accountability, where actions are judged publicly without deeper understanding or consistent standards. Contemporary Muslim thinkers offer a deeper perspective. Wael Hallaq critiques modern legal systems, arguing that true accountability must be rooted in ethical and moral frameworks, not just institutional enforcement. Abdullahi Ahmed An-Na'im emphasizes that accountability in society requires a balance between law, culture, and individual conscience. Khaled Abou El Fadl highlights the importance of moral responsibility and intention, where accountability is not only about outward actions, but inner ethics. So, what is accountability today? It exists at multiple levels: legal, social, and personal. It can be enforced by institutions, shaped by communities, or guided by conscience. The real question is not just who is accountable, but what kind of accountability creates a just society. Because without accountability, power goes unchecked. But without ethics, accountability loses its meaning. If this made you rethink responsibility and society, subscribe for more deep insight.